Alright guys, just got me a new hoodie. Obviously it's not for me, it's for my shift knob. Yep, there's the hoodie for the shift knob. Pretty cool, eh? Basically what this does is keep your shift knob from getting too hot or too cold in the different weather conditions. Even comes with a little hanger. This video is not sponsored, but this is made by Mini Hoods on Instagram. I'll put a link to his Instagram in the description below. I just thought it's pretty neat, so just wanted to show you guys. Even have a technical mechanical logo on there. And here it is, installed. I went with blue and red stitching to match the theme of the car. Feels nice in the hand too. Anyway, just a fun little item. Let me know what you guys think. Hit a like and subscribe button for a lot more VB Chastity Reacts videos. Take care.